Hello and welcome. This is Kevin, also known as AWOL. And yesterday I went totally crazy with a pattern that I thought would be really fun and bag that I plan on making it sometime in the future. So I kind of mentioned that the pieces of it were interchangeable. But then today I was trying to explain this to a friend and they didn't quite grasp what I meant by that. I think. So I kind of wanted to show you guys here today some of the possibilities that these patterns make. So there were four of them, right? So I think the best way for me to do this is to introduce you guys to the void. So here we go. Okay, so let's bring in our pieces. First, we have the center one we made. Then we have the right side of it. We have the left side, and then we have the pieces pointing downward. So this was my original intention for the bag. But what if we changed it around a bit? Can you imagine what it would be like if we moved the left and the right sides around? Let's do that. Well, now it looks more like a conventional arrowhead, with the exception that there are some spaces that are really kind of wide apart. But what if we swapped around the two on the far right-hand side? What would that look like? All right, so now you should be able to tell that just moving these around can really change the way the whole thing looks. But what if we took out the middle one and then we replace that with another left? What would that look like? So I think now you kind of get the idea. The possibilities for this are really just endless. You can try any kind of way you want. You can hook together as many of these as you want, and it's going to come out looking pretty darn cool. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. I had a heck of a time making it, but yeah, I'm still happy with the results. So before I go, let me thank my Patreon supporters as well as my YouTube members for making this possible. Seriously, I really can't do all of this without their help. So thank you very much, guys. And yeah, by the way, this whole thing that I made was recorded while on a live stream with somebody actually watching me. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, become a YouTube member and you can hang out and watch this kind of stuff behind the scenes. All right. So thanks, guys. And as always, don't get your strings in a bunch.